Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the repo and existing remotes. Run git remote v to list them. Once done, keep the URL you intend to use handy and confirm you can authenticate. Next, decide whether to remove, rename, or update the existing origin. This choice controls safety versus speed. If you need to preserve the old remote, rename it now. If you want a fresh origin, prepare to delete and re-add. Make sure your working tree has no outstanding commits you might lose. Now execute the chosen change. If you want to keep history, run git remote rename origin old so the new name preserves the link, then add the new origin. If you prefer replacement, run git remote remove origin to clear the conflict, and then git remote add origin URL. Once added, verify with git remote v and git fetch origin. This confirms connectivity and refs. If you used SSH keys, make sure your agent is running and your key is loaded before pushing. Finish by pushing your branch. Git push u origin main or the branch you use. Once the push succeeds, the new origin is active. If you encounter errors, inspect the remote URL with git remote get URL origin, validate SSH vs HTTPS choices, and test auth with SSH tgit at host or a curl request. If refs mismatch, fetch and merge or set up stream correctly. As a final tip, retain origin old until you confirm everything works, then remove it to avoid clutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.